tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game-changing home theater system that will elevate your entertainment experience to new heights. Imagine being fully immersed in your favorite movies, TV shows, or games with sound that surrounds you, envelopes you, and makes you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. That's exactly what the Klipsch Reference Dolby Atmos Home Theater Bundle promises to deliver, and I'm excited to dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. First, let's talk about the complete Dolby Atmos Home Theater Bundle, which includes everything you need for a true cinematic audio experience. You get the Klipsch Reference speakers, a powerful R12SW 12-inch powered subwoofer, and the Yamaha RX-A2A AV Receiver, all working together in perfect harmony to create an immersive soundstage that will leave you breathless. This bundle is designed to provide a seamless and engaging experience, with each component carefully crafted to enhance the others, resulting in a truly cinematic experience that will make you feel like you're in a real movie theater. One of the most impressive features of this system is the immersive overhead sound provided by the dual R625FA floor-standing speakers, which feature built-in up-firing Dolby Atmos elevation channels. These speakers are designed to deliver realistic height effects, making you feel like you're surrounded by sound from all directions, including from above. Whether you're watching a movie, playing a game, or just listening to music, this feature adds a whole new level of depth and realism to the experience, drawing you in and refusing to let go. I was blown away by the clarity and precision of the sound, and I'm sure you will be too. Another key feature of this system is the clear dialogue and surround effects provided by the R52C center channel and R41M bookshelf speakers. The R52C center channel is designed to provide crisp, focused vocals, making it easy to follow dialogue and stay engaged in the story. Meanwhile, the R41M bookshelf speakers create detailed surround sound, adding depth and complexity to the soundstage and making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or a quiet drama, this system delivers crystal clear sound that will keep you on the edge of your seat. But what really sets this system apart is the powerful, clean bass provided by the Klipsch R12SW subwoofer. With its 12-inch spun copper IMG driver and high-efficiency all-digital amplifier, this subwoofer delivers deep, low-frequency impact that will shake your room and leave you feeling energized. Whether you're listening to music, watching a movie, or playing a game, this subwoofer adds a whole new level of excitement and engagement to the experience, making you feel like you're part of the action. Finally, the Yamaha RX-A2A AV Receiver is the brains of the operation, bringing everything together and providing advanced features like 75W per channel, 7.2 channel surround, Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, 8K video support, and automatic room calibration. This receiver is designed to provide a seamless and intuitive experience, making it easy to set up and enjoy your home theater system. With its advanced features and sleek design, this receiver is the perfect centerpiece for your home theater system, and I'm sure you'll love it just as much as I do. In conclusion, the Klipsch Reference Dolby Atmos Home Theater Bundle is an absolute game-changer, providing a truly cinematic audio experience that will leave you breathless. With its immersive overhead sound, clear dialogue and surround effects, powerful clean bass, and advanced AV receiver, this system has everything you need to take your entertainment experience to the next level. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing system and start enjoying the ultimate home theater experience.